last night was eventful. I should have recorded it, but I was really scared. A couple thunderstorms went by, and it was my first thunderstorm tenting experience. So I was kind of whimpering. But Cindy has experience in thunderstorms tenting, so we were right next to each other, so that was kind of comforting. And there's two other tenters here too. You know, something went bad, they were here. Today's gonna be a short day because thunderstorms are rolling in between the hours of 3 and 5, so we're not going to risk it. We're going to shelter tonight. It'll be about 8-ish miles. Well, it's getting pretty late. It's past 8:30. We better start rolling out of here. All right, bye. So yesterday, between the thunderstorms, we're really close to like a active like military like artillery range, and so maybe you can hear in the background, but there's a bunch of jets and helicopters and shooting practices going on. So last night when it lightninged, I was kind of whimpering. But then when I heard the guns going off, I kind of giggled. Oh, you just never know we're going to be out here. But today's pretty humid, maybe because it rained. And humidity isn't particularly my best friend, but there are a lot of humid days on the Appalachian Trail. So just take one step and day at a time. Well, bye for now. We're making it to, it's all right. We're making it to, is it Rausch? Yeah, Rausch Mountain Shelter, something like that. But it's a beautiful area. It reminds me of the Roan Mountain area, which was my favorite section on trail, or one of my favorite sections. The shelter is a bit far off trail, 0.3, but it seems very flat and very nice. Yeah, gorgeous area. Beautiful. I'll give a tour of the shelter in just a bit. You going first?
Yeah, left of the dealer, so I don't want this card.
Yeah?
Yeah, you can next.
Alright. Hello. People may wonder why I don't use Privies, and I'm going to tell you my number one reason, and I'm going to show you my number one reason why I don't use the Privies. Is it smell? No. Is it because it's gross? No. It's because of this. One second, let me see if I can get it. because of that. No, thank you. No. And so I went into the woods and came back on my phone. It's been moved. So, yeah. No. Not doing it. It's, I do not like spiders. And one time there was a rumor about a rattlesnake in the privy too. Yeah, the woods is just fine behind a nice big tree. Just fine. I'm not dealing with that. And then when the door shuts, it's dark. So you don't know what's crawling around inside the privy, because there's a lot of mice and bees in the privies too. So don't want to get stung on my booty. Don't want to get bitten in the booty, and definitely don't want to be startled with a giant spider crawling up my leg. So, nope. But yeah, had to show you that one.